Laziza Rasmalai recipe. Ingredients for the rasgullas: 1 liter whole milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons lemon juice or vinegar, 1 cup sugar, 4 cups water, half a teaspoon cardamom powder, a few strands of saffron optional. For the milk syrup, 2 cups full-fat milk, half a cup sugar, adjust to taste, quarter teaspoon cardamom powder, chopped nuts like pistachios and almonds for garnish. A few strands of saffron optional instructions. 1. Make chenna or paneer. Boil the milk in a heavy-bottomed pan. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat and add lemon juice slowly, stirring gently until the milk curdles. Remove from heat and strain the curds through a muslin cloth or fine sieve. Rinse under cold water to remove the acidic taste. Squeeze out excess water and let it sit for about 30 minutes. 2. Prepare the rasgullas. Knead the chenna for about 5 to 7 minutes until smooth. Make small, smooth balls, about the size of a marble. In a pot, dissolve 1 cup of sugar in 4 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Gently add the chenna balls to the boiling sugar syrup. Cover and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes until they double in size. Turn off the heat and let them cool in the syrup. 3. Make the milk syrup. In another pan, boil 2 cups of milk. Reduce it to half on medium heat while stirring occasionally. Add sugar, cardamom powder, and saffron if using. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Remove from heat and let it cool. 4. Assemble the rasmalai. Squeeze the rasgullas gently to remove excess syrup and soak them in the milk syrup for a couple of hours in the refrigerator. Serve chilled, garnished with chopped nuts. Enjoy your homemade rasmalai. It's a delightful treat for any occasion.